So I did get the BeautyFix box. I know I talked about it, but I haven't canceled the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. I think I'm probably going to end up canceling both, but the December 1st payment already went out. Today is December 1st, and technically, if I can manage to do Vlogmas again this year, I did last year, where for 25 days there's a video uploaded for every day. This would be Vlogmas number 1. I'm just wondering if I should put that pressure on myself or not, but anyway, this is the first box. In the shipping box that it came in, there were a couple samples, pretty good size samples of products that they sell in the shop. And of course it also came with the leaflet that says everything that's in here. They don't give prices, but I know that some of this stuff is very pricey, so what I'll do is I'll add the prices to, or the retail value of stuff that's not full size. I'll add it to the video. So anyway, and an advertisement. And here is the box. Now, I did look at this already because I couldn't wait. There are 2 shampoo and conditioner items in here. They're both travel size, and kind of looking forward to trying these. They're by Szechuan, and that looks like pretty good stuff. So, although I'm loving my Paul Mitchell lately. And then there is this, this feels really full, sample size tube of the Arcona Magic White Ice. Is that what it says? Yeah. So this feels like it's really full. So this is a good size sample. I'll put the number of ounces and the retail value below. Also got Sanitas detoxifying scrub mask. So this will be interesting to try. It's also I'd say deluxe sample size. Then this here is Neostrata, and it is, I can't read it without my glasses. Let me go get my glasses. This is Bionic Face Cream, 12% PHA. I'm not sure what that means yet, but I will look it up. Then this is something I have wanted to try, but I'm not willing to pay the full price for, and this is Emma Hardy. It says Morning Cleansing Balm, Moringa Cleansing Balm, but this is a fan favorite throughout the internet, so I am looking forward to trying it. It is Leaping Bunny certified. Then there is this half-size body oil, but honestly will take me forever to use up. And this is coconut, herbivore coconut oil, and I'll look that up and put more information down below. And this had everybody freaked out because they're like, oh my god, there's a sample pack, but you know what, there's a tube inside this, so you're still getting a full-size deluxe sample. It's just, I don't know why they would do that, but they put it inside an envelope. And finally, this is the big ticket item. This is the full-size item, and it's Glytone Rejuvenating Mini Peel Gel. It's supposed to be pretty gentle, so we'll see about it. I have to do a little more research before... Oh, good, it's got an expiration date on it. That's next year. Not even, more than 1 year. But I have to see. I'll do some research before I go to use this, just to make sure that I don't kill my skin. Although, I'm currently wearing my Retin-A, so if I can do that, I could do anything. So, this is, I think, a really good box. And that is how they won me over. I saw this on the internet, and it was all stuff that I wanted to either try or use. And it's just awesome. It's got lots of stuff in it, and I'm very happy with it. I have no idea what's coming in December because I have not found any sneak peeks for December yet, but I'm looking forward to that. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and the first day of Vlogmas number 1, which is December 1st. A lot of people do it all different ways, so you'll see some people started it on the 29th on Thanksgiving, and some people started, you know, on the 1st and ended on the 25th, and some people run it all month. I'm going to do what I did last year, and this would be the 1st of December, and this would be the first video. So there's a lot more to come. I've already written down a lot of ideas that I have for the channel. So anyway, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed this.